In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a formula property, reference other columns, and combine constants, operators, and functions to build useful calculations and logic inside your databases. Start by heading to your database and clicking the plus button at the top right of the property bar. This adds a new property. In the type menu that appears, choose Formula. You've now created a computed field that can transform or analyze the data in each row automatically. Next, click the new property and select Edit Formula to open the Notion Formula Editor. This editor is where you'll write and test your expressions. As you type, Notion suggests properties, operators, and functions, and you'll see a preview of the result, which is helpful for catching mistakes early. To pull in data you already have, reference other columns in your database. In the new Formulas 2.0 experience, these columns appear as clickable tokens. For example, if you have a status column or a due date column, you can click those tokens to insert them directly into your formula, which reduces typos and keeps your expressions consistent. You can also use constants, fixed values that don't change. These include numbers, quoted text like complete, and mathematical constants such as pi. For instance, you could multiply a numeric property by 2 or compare a text property to complete to check whether a task is finished. Combine values with operators to perform calculations or comparisons. Use plus, minus, multiply, and divide for math. And use comparison operators like double equals for equals, exclamation equals for not equal, and greater than or less than to evaluate numeric or date relationships. A quick example would be prop amount Fe 100, which returns true or false depending on each row's amount. For more advanced logic, bring in functions. The if function lets you branch your output based on a condition, such as if prop statuses == complete. Done. In progress, the date add function adjusts dates, try date, add prop due date. 7 days to preview a follow-up date. And length counts characters in a text property, useful for enforcing title length or spotting unusually long entries. As you refine your formula, watch the live results update in your database so you can confirm everything behaves as expected. Keep formulas readable by spacing operators and leaning on tokens and autocomplete. With these building blocks, tokens for references, constants for fixed values, operators for logic, and functions for power, you can turn any Notion database into a dynamic, insightful workspace. Thanks for watching.